I tried to put your stuff in it first. She's like, hurry up.
Where's your food, Mama? Is it up there? Is it up there?
She's like, hurry up. She's licking her lips. She's like, I want some.
Your mama's trying to make it.
Wait. Wait, you wait too, Pinky.
They're like, food. We want food. And here's the other two wrestling on the mountain.
She's like, she's getting upset. Oh my god, that's so funny.
Is she making your food? Are you too? Oh, look at you.
Should I get you guys all the probiotics and lysies?
What's she doing? Oh! He just fell
Mom.
down the mountain.
Mom makes that special noise. Ooh, Archie, want to eat with them, please? Archie still does not. How amazing. I must have spilled a little. Amazing. What food is it?
Is that good, guys?
Oh, babies. Here,
Oh.
2, 8.
Mm-hmm.
Archie, think Birdie. Birdie, come here. They really don't get it. And look at this. Like, they should be able to. They're like, no thanks. It's very weird. Pinky's like,
He's like,
fatty.
did you forget to feed me today?
She likes the food a lot.
That's good.
Yeah. They're twins. Do you see the wrinkles on her forehead?
Uh-huh.
Isn't that so funny?
That's interesting.
She's like, excuse me for pointing out my wrinkles.
What are you two doing over there?
Oh, Archie's playing with Mommy's tail.
You're not supposed to eat the litter box.
I found that a lot of kittens like to chew on the side of that for some reason.
Well, probably they're
Teething,
teething
yeah.
and stuff.
I forget the big teeth.
Yeah. You guys are cute eating. Was that yummy? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh.
How does it taste? Is it good? Oop, I put my finger over that. She is like taking huge bites.
Yeah, she's a pig. She thinks she's a big girl. Oh, Archie's playing with Mom's tail. I think maybe that's why she's meowing.
And she's like, excuse me.
Come here, Archie. Come on, get some food. He's like, no, thanks. I don't know why. He just wants Mommy's milk.